ever wonder what happens in lower school during the summer? Come along and we'll find out.
206. This is your classroom. And this is summertime. It's actually June 17th when I'm doing this. My bulletin board is empty. The lockers are empty. Here's my Sooner flag. You will soon learn that you can bring your favorite team items to put up on our board. Boomer Sooner. Ah, look at this. The desks and chairs are all over the place. Woo! The carpets were cleaned just yesterday. Now the board still has some sweet notes from my class last year. They're moving on to middle school. I can't wait to see who fills these desks and these chairs. If you're getting this video, I think it's probably you. Mrs. Norton, I don't think she's here anymore. Check this out. Have you ever seen this office this clean? Wow. Can't wait to see who fills that chair. I think it's going to be Miss Eubank.